All right, how's it going? Going to make mushroom soup today. This is really, really simple. Very few ingredients. You can play around with the spices as much as you like. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So this is as simple as can be. We've got mushrooms and potatoes, about equal parts. There's like 3 cups total. That's actually 250 grams of mushrooms if you're interested. A couple of cups of onion, a tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Now I'm using cumin powder, but you can use thyme if you want, change the direction of it. I like the cumin in this one, I think it's delicious. We're gonna add some salt and pepper, obviously some form of water or liquid, bit of oil, that's about it. Super, super, super easy. Let's get moving. So I've got a large pot here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a corn oil, about 3 tablespoons. We're gonna start off with our onion. And look, all the measurements here, you can adjust it, to be honest. It's, you know, anything goes with soup, doesn't it? So 2 cups there, 3 cups potatoes. You can see I've cut the potatoes nice and small like that. A tablespoon of garlic. Maybe a little bit of ginger in this could work, up to you. We're gonna go with our couple of teaspoons of cumin powder. Above medium heat, 4 minutes. Great stuff. Let's get some salt and some black pepper in the mix. Then we're going to add our mushrooms. I mean, I've just chopped mine up really small. I mean, you don't have to cut it that small. And again, we're going to go for about another 4 minutes. So easy. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. So if you wanted, you could have got some, you know, celery in here or some carrots. You'd have put them in, you know, when we put the potatoes in, bulk it out with that if you like. And if you want to add a bit of spice, maybe a bit of chili powder or some fresh chilies, up to you. I'm keeping it really nice and simple today. I'm going to add some water. Now you could be adding stock if you want. You could add a vegetable stock, chicken stock, whatever stock you want. I'm just going with water. I think there's plenty of flavour in there. It's about 2 pints there. Okay, bring that to the boil. Let it go for about 8 minutes once it starts to boil. Okay, beautiful. Off goes the heat. Look, all we're trying to do here is cook those potatoes down, so make sure that they're really nice and soft. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to liquidize this, you know, I'm going to get it nice and smooth. I've got one of those things that go inside. I'll spare you the noise of it. But yeah, you can put it, do what I'm using, or if you want, put it into a food processor, that kind of thing. Now, the consistency of it. It might be a bit thick now. I might add a bit more water to it, but it's up to you how you want it. There you go, that's actually a really nice consistency. I don't want to add any more liquid to that, that's great. But yeah, get it to where you want. Check it for salt and pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of coriander into that, fresh coriander. Give that a mix, job done, that's a beauty. Okay, and there you go, really, really, really simple mushroom soup. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon, lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.